Yesterday we had a inside day. My mic's on, right? Just making sure, yeah. So we had an inside day yesterday, and again, for the third time, we tested that low volume area that was resistance, and then we couldn't get through it. We couldn't break the low. I thought we were gonna hit this 20-day point of control early on. We had a nice drop, and then all of a sudden we had some buyers. Then we chopped around. I mentioned it was going to be likely choppy, but I thought that at least we could have tested this 5670, which we didn't, but we just now tested it. And as I put in the morning note, that was a target, the 5663. It was one of those bearish imbalance targets that I have three here. I have this one, I have the 5629, and I have the 5528, and those would repair the bearish imbalance from yesterday's session, for this session right here, or for this session right here. So as I was saying, I don't know if I said a few days ago, I said that because we failed to break to the upside of the range, to the upper part of the range, that we were gonna likely come back to the point of control and then test the low side of the range. So now it looks more like it, right? And added to that is the fact that in today's triple witching and options expirations, and I mentioned this a few times, that I learned from a good trader that I know, is that a few minutes before the open we see some big shorting size come in. I've been doing that stuff for like almost a year now, and it seems to work, I think, every time. I haven't tracked it on paper, but I know that it's a very high probability trade. 5 minutes before the open we see a short. Today we are seeing it very early, so I don't know if we're gonna see more downside, but keep an eye on it. A few minutes before around 5:25, see a big size selling, probably some flow, adjusting positions and stuff that's related to options expiration. We also have the futures contract today that rolls over. We've been seeing that for the last few days, and today is the last day of that contract. So anyway, I'm looking for this bearish imbalances to be tested. I do expect some kind of a bounce here around the weekly pivot at 5630. So we'll see what we get there. If we don't see a bounce right away, then I'm expecting at least this point of control to be retested, this naked point of control, which is a 5590. What is it? 5592. Okay, now if this downside move doesn't continue and we see buyers, then I'm gonna be looking for a sweep through value from yesterday's session, value area low to value area high, like the usual play that happens over and over and over. And that's pretty much it. We don't have many news today. I don't think we have anything today, right? Yeah, we just have some Trump and Defense Secretary speaking at 11, and some oil recount at 1 p.m. But that's it. Same thing with NQ. Have those bearish imbalances. We just tested this one right to the tick, 19,655. And there's another one at 19,275. And we have this naked point of control at 19,5 28. All right, and crude again tested that resistance area and coming back again. If we don't hold this, if we don't hold above this yesterday's session, then look for this target right here, which is 67.50, and then 66.98. Excuse me. And gold has been consolidating here, like nothing much other than, you know, it attempted to break down yesterday, last night, but it got quickly bought up here. So this area is now acting as support, but now we have two low volume areas. So, you know, it's each time it breaks through it, it leaves some low volume area. It's holding. So this is kind of poor structure. Eventually, I think we're gonna get a little bit of a retracement to retest these areas, and then probably some good buying opportunities. And then, you know, but probably I wouldn't be looking to short it. I will be looking to buy the bounces at least until we get here to that 3100. And I think that's about it for today. Yeah, that's it. All right, good luck. And I leave you all with this great song that everybody should put on their playlist.